Charlene, merong mga gustong bumati sa'yo mula sa kanilang mga puso. Lagi silang nagmamahal sa'yo. Mga kapamilya, kapuso, at mga double cards. Okay, you just watch and listen. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Char!
Char, happy birthday. More blessings and success in life.
Arlene, happy birthday! Happy birthday, ha?
Happy birthday, Char!
Happy birthday, Auntie Charlene.
Happy birthday, Char!
Happy birthday, Charlene.
We miss you.
Happy birthday, Charlene.
Hope you have a good birthday celebration.
We wanted to just send our love from our home to yours.
What do you guys say? Bye.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Bye, Charlene. Have a great day. Hope to see you soon.
Hey cuz, happy birthday. Happy 30th birthday, excuse me. So the little one wants to say hi again. Nahirapan kaming mag-video with everyone. Medyo makulit lang silang lahat. So I miss the good old days. But today we have better ones. And nakikisabat talaga siya. And I really hope that you enjoy today. I know that it's a weird time where we can't really go out and see our loved ones, but I hope that you enjoy your time with family. And I can't wait till the kids are grown and we can be silly again. But anyway, happy birthday. Ay, anak. Anak. Welcome to your 30s. I love you and I hope that you continue to be happy and healthy.
Happy birthday, Charlene!
More birthdays to come. Good health.
Happy 18th birthday! Enjoy!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Charlene! Happy birthday! Sayang, hindi natuloy yung gala natin this year. Bawi na lang tayo next year. At pag normal na, pag okay na ang lahat, at si Madam Corona lumayas na at mapagod na sa kalilipad. Ingat kayo dyan! Kumusta mo ako sa mga bata? Kedjop! Love you! Mwah! Chup chup! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday to my favorite daughter-in-law. Always praying for you and your family's safety.
Hi, Char. Happy birthday, and I just wish all the best for your birthday. Good health, good job, more stable job, especially in this time of crisis, and may you still enjoy the day, and best relationship with the family, and also good health for the whole family. I love you, and happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Char. Happy 30th birthday. Hindi tayo tuloy sa June. Kita-kita tayo next year. Love you. Miss you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tita Charlene. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! We love you!
Hope to see you soon.
Hope to see you soon! We'll celebrate when you're here. Love you! Bye-bye!
Happy 30th birthday. We love you. I wish you good health. I wish you're safe.
I wish magbukas na yung border para makapunta na kayo dito.
Let's go. Mag-drive na kayo.
Bye.
Bye! We love you!
Ate Char, happy birthday. Hope to see you soon. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. God bless.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Ate Charlene. We love you.
Ingat! Bye-bye! Bye, Viper!
Birthday Ninang Char. I miss you. I love you.
Happy birthday! God bless!
Stay
Stay
safe.
safe.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Sish, ayan, may pakanta ka pa sa amin, ah. Happy birthday, Sish. Kita tayo next year kung makakauwi kayo. Love you, Sish. Love ko kayong lahat. I love you. Ingat kayo palagi dyan, okay? Alam mo, lagi naman tayo nagchichikahan eh. Love you!
Happy birthday po, Tita Char.
Happy birthday.
Keep safe po. Wag po kayong lumabas sa yung sa sinabi po ni Kim Chu, wag daw pong lumabas. Tapos,
bye-bye na.
Happy birthday, Char. Thank you sa pag-aalaga mo kay Job, sa 2 bata. At wish ko, sana makarating kayo dito sa November. Love you. Ingat kayong lahat dyan. Happy birthday, Char. Mag-ingat kayo lagi dyan. Wish ko, sana magkita tayo by November. Para tayo magbuburakay. Mag-ingat kayo lagi dyan. God bless you all. Love you all. Piper, Jordan, ingat kayo nila mami, daddy. Jo, huwag mo pababayaan niyang mga bata. See you in November.
Birthday, Char. Ingat kayo palagi dyan.
That's it. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday!
Char. We miss you. Stay safe.
Kami ang mga frontliner. Nagliling.
Happy birthday, Char.
Ate Char, happy birthday! God bless and see you soon together with Piper and Jordan. Bye-bye!
1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Ate Char! We miss you!
Uwi ka na!
Love you! Ingat!
Happy birthday, Ate Char. Ingat kayo lagi nila Kuya Joff, Piper, and Leon. Miss na namin kayo.
Happy birthday, Char! See you soon. Ingat kayo dyan.
Happy birthday, Ate Char.
Ingat kayo dyan sa Canada ni Kuya Job tsaka mga kids.
Happy birthday, Char. I miss you and I love you so much. Sobrang enjoyin mo yung araw mo, ha? Tumatanda, pero mukhang bata pa rin. Sino magsasabi na 2 na anak mo? Diba? Ang sexy-sexy. Ang ganda-ganda pa din. Sobrang miss ko na kayo, Char. Sobrang excited ako makita si Piper tsaka si Jordan. Kaso hindi pinahintulot ngayon, pero malalagpasan natin lahat to. Yan, dahil kayo mag-iingat. Alam mo naman yan na mahal ko kayo. Tsaka isang message lang kung ano man yan. Lalo na kayo ng dami nating oras. Yan, good luck sa cooking skills mo. Alam ko naman na mo yan kay tita. Masarap ka din magluto. Mga pinagagawa natin dito sa bahay nyo pagluluto. Magagawa din natin ulit yan.
Happy birthday, Charlene!
Happy birthday, Ben!
Happy birthday, Char.
I miss you. Uwi na kayo. So, pauwiin mo na si Char.
Happy birthday, Char.
Ingat kayo dyan ng mga bata. Uwi mo na yung mga bata para makapag-play na kami. Wish you all the best, Pex.
Wish you all the best. Ingat kayo palagi.
Uwi ka na para makainom na tayo. Kayo pala. Hindi ako kasama.
Inom na tayo, Char. See you soon, Happy birthday.
See you. Love you.
Bye.
Happy birthday! Sana healthy and safe kayo palagi lahat dyan sa Canada. And of course, buong family mo. And miss ka na namin. And wish ko for you and for Joff, baby number 3. See you soon!
Happy birthday, Besh! May surprise ako sa'yo. Tara! Uwi ka na ng Pinas. Inom na us soon. Miss you!
Bex, happy birthday! Sana bumalik na yung flight namin dyan para magkita na tayo ulit. Miss ko na kayo. Miss ko din si Piper. Enjoy your birthday. Love you!
Hi, Bets! Happy birthday! Sana sa susunod na birthday mo magkakasama na tayo dyan sa Canada. Ingat kayo ni Joff, ni Piper, tsaka ni Jordan. Love you! May gusto pa palang bumati.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Okay, sabihin mo, I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, kiss.
Aisha, happy birthday. Miss na miss ka na namin. And for you, sexy mama, keep going, be sexy all the time. Happy mama of 2. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best, my darling. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Okay, mo.
Sandali, kakakanta tayo ng happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Shar.
Oh, sige.
Sabay-sabay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Shar!
Hi Sish! Happy birthday! Miss na kita. Sayang hindi matutuloy yung pagkikita natin. I wish you all the happiness that you deserve. Mag-iingat kayong lahat dyan. Stay healthy. See you soon. And kisses to Piper and Leon. Mahal kita and salamat sa pagkakaibigan. Happy birthday!
Shar! So, nag-video call kami kanina ng mga batch mo kaso nga lang hindi na-catch yung voice sa screen record. Sayang, hindi mo naman nakita ang mga pakanta naming effect. Anyway, we'll just call you on your birthday. But for now, we just want to wish you good health, all the good things in life. We know that you're very blessed. And sana patuloy lang po ito ibigay ni Lord. And then, always stay healthy. And always keep safe. Keep safe. Yun lang. We ka na sana dito sa Pinas, makapag-bonding tayo all together, makapag-inuman at walwal na. So naman, miss ka na namin. Tsaka, playdates with the kids. Love you! Mwah!
Everyone, good afternoon. It's May 15 and I'm wishing everybody a good health. Be safe, be strong, and be healthy. Today is Charlene's birthday. I'm wishing Charlene happy birthday, and may you have many more to come. And congratulations with your 2 kids. Congratulations to all your siblings. Ate Mai, okay, happy birthday. We love you. Bye. Sorry, I'm wearing my sunglasses because I just had my surgery, my 2 eyes. So, I'm okay now. Thank you. Hi.
Hello, Shar. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Charlene. Stay safe kayo ng family mo and we hope to see you soon po.
God bless.
Ingat
Ingat.
palagi po.
Happy birthday, Ate Charlene.
Happy birthday, Charlene.
We love you and we miss you. Take care always, ate, with your family. Stay healthy, stay strong sa inyo. I love you.
Happy
birthday!
Hello, Shar! Happy 30th birthday. We may be miles apart, but I want to give you a virtual hug and a kiss. Have a wonderful birthday. Alam ko you wish to be with your mom and your siblings and of course yung papa mo. But I know you're more than happy to be with Joff and yung 2 chikilings mo. Ang dami-dami ko nang na-miss dahil sa training ko. Babawi ako sa'yo, alam mo yan. Pupuntahin kita dun sa Canada after training. Can't wait to see you all after this pandemic. Miss you all. Love you. Mwah!
Hello, Bets! Happy 30th birthday! Ayan, diba? 30 na tayo agad. Ganun-ganun lang. Dati, kung ano-anong mga walang kakwenta-kwentang bagay ang pinag-iiyak natin. Ngayon, ito na. Adulting na tayo talaga. At kahit busy tayo sa mga buhay-buhay, hindi tayo masyadong nakakapag-catch up, gusto kong malaman mo na andito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. At alam ko, ganun ka rin para sa akin. Part ka nung sobrang liit na circle of friends na tinetreasure ko at sobrang pinagpapasalamat ko yun kasi isa ka dun sa mga tunay. Ang wish ko lang ngayon para sa'yo, sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng good health dahil yun yung kailangan nating lahat ngayon dahil may pandemic tayo. Lakas, bigyan ka niya ng lakas para gampanan lahat ng roles mo sa buhay ngayon. Bilang mommy, bilang asawa, bilang nurse, at kung ano-ano pang mga kailangan mong gampanan. Sana bigyan ka niya ng lakas para gawin yun lahat. at more blessings. Kahit alam ko, nasa iyo na lahat ngayon at masayang-masaya ako para sa iyo. Kasi deserve mo yan lahat, Bits. Sobra. Lahat ng meron ka ngayon, para sa iyo talaga yan. Kasi mabuti kang tao. At maraming kang taong pinapasaya. Kaya i-continue mo lang yan. Yung pagiging bright mo sa buhay. Yung tipong ikaw yung magpapasaya nung group. Yung presence mo pa lang, nakakatuwa na. Yung humor mo pa. Diba? So, ayun lang. So, enjoy your day. At love kita. Alam mo yan. Sana magkita tayo soon. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Kung sa Pinas, dito sa Dubai, o dyan sa Canada. Pero sana dyan sa Canada. Okay? I love you, Vets. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, Char! Happy 30th birthday! Hindi man tayo nakapag-usap madalas or nakapag-bonding bago ka umalis ng Pilipinas, I just like to let you know that I'm still and I will always be a shoulder to cry on, a friend you can lean on. O, diba? Parang kanta lang. I'm happy na constant pa rin yung communication natin. Na kahit through Instagram, direct tayo na lang nakakapag-usap. And, yun nga, ang topic natin, syempre, more on motherhood na. Basta, lagi niyong iisipin kayong dalawa ni Florence. You will always have a special place in my heart. I love you. Happy birthday uli.
Hi, Sister. Nak, on behalf of our family, we would like to greet you a happy, blessed 30th birthday. Yun ka Ian, Canada. Enjoy lang your day. Especially, be safe and healthy always. With Chop at sa dalawang bata. Thanks for everything. Love, lads, and see you. God bless. Bye.
Happy 30th birthday, Ate Cesar. Take care in your family.
Hello, good morning. Happy birthday sa iyo. Naway lagi kang pagpalain ng Diyos. Magandang umaga sa iyong pamilya at sa lahat.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
And have a nice day. Okay. See you. Hopefully, God be willing. Bye!
Hi, Char! Happy birthday! Miss na miss ka na naming lahat. Ingat ka lagi. God bless. At be safe kayo ni Joff at ng 2 mini Joffs natin. Love na love ka namin nila ate. Nakiki-ate ako kasi singkit din ako. So, family din ako, 'di ba? Hello sa lahat, ate. Hello po sa inyo. Ate Chess, Ate Chatty. Mga kuya, miss you po. Ingat kayo. Be safe lahat tayo. God bless po. Love you, Char.
Happy birthday, Char. We wish you a lifelong of happiness. Enjoy your day and hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Tita Char! Haba! Enjoy your special day. Keep safe. We love you. See you soon. Bye. See you soon.
Hi, bro. Happy birthday. Sana kahit na hindi ka makapag-celebrate ngayon kasama yung family mo, alam mo na dahil sa lockdown. Pati tayo, matagal na rin tayo hindi nagkakapag-celebrate ng mga birthday magkakasama. Pero, alam mo, darating din naman yung panahon, magkakasama tayo, magkikita tayo uli. Tsaka, alam mo naman yun, di ba? See you soon. Happy birthday, Char!
Hi, sis. Happy birthday. This is the day that the Lord has made for you, and I know this is very special despite the COVID situation. I just wish you the best. And I hope and pray that God will grant the desires of your heart and continue to stay safe and healthy with your family. And again, I hope to see you soon. And this is the greetings from Team THP and Team DRMA. We miss you and hope that you will enjoy your celebration with your family. Take care. God bless.
Ate Char! Birthday mo ngayon, ha? Happy 30th birthday sa'yo, te. Kahit na malapit na mawala sa kalendaryo, but still, mukha pa rin 20. Alam mo yan, te. Alam mo yan. Matik yan. Next. Well, anyway, te. Wishing you all the more great blessings in life. Enjoy every precious moment with your loving husband na si Kuya Joff at ang dalawa mong great blessing, te. Ang napakagandang si Piper at ang poging-poging si Jordine. And te, thank you so much for all the teachings that I've learned to you. Sobrang laking tulong nun sa pag-build up ko sa sarili ko. Again, te, thank you. And then happy birthday to you, Ate Char. Ingat ka palagi. Ingat kayo with the whole family. And I miss you. I love you so much, te. Happy birthday. Peace out. Mwah.
Fish, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Sean.
Love you. I miss you so much.
Hi, Charlene. Little birdie told me it's your birthday, so I just wanted to reach out and say happy birthday. Sorry we can't spend it together due to the current situation, but hopefully once COVID's over, we'll be able to get together and celebrate. It's long overdue, and I miss you all. I hope you have an amazing day, and I wish you all your dreams and happiness on your special day. All right? Miss you, and kiss the kids, and we will see you soon. Bye.
Hi, Ate Cheryl. I just wanted to drop a message and say happy birthday. Happy 30th birthday. And it's been a while. I haven't talked to you guys since forever. I hope you guys are doing well and you guys are staying safe at this time of pandemic. Hope to hear from you guys soon. And I'll catch you guys later. Keep in touch.
Happy birthday, Charlene. Happy 30th birthday. Ang bilis ng panahon, ano? Now that you're a mother of 2, siguro naman, masaya ka na, narating mo na, at nakamit mo na lahat ang pangarap mo sa buhay. Malungkot lang kasi hindi tayo makapag-celebrate ng birthday mo dahil panahon ng COVID-19. Naka-quarantine kami dito, kukarantine kayo dyan. Pero I promise you, by next year, kung sakali, magse-celebrate tayo together sa birthday mo. Enjoy your day. Be a good wife, a mother, and a daughter to me. Okay, I love you, Charlene.
Piper. Wait. Okay, Piper, say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I love you. Piper. Say I love you. Please. I love you. Piper. I love you.
I love you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Hi, babe. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka kahit na sa bahay lang tayo nagse-celebrate ng birthday mo. At sana masaya ka din. At kami lang ng mga anak mo makakasama mo ay birthday mo. I love you.